it's time for America's messiest game show, Slime Time. And here's your host, the slimy guy himself.
Thank you, Carol Barrow. Hey kids, welcome to Slime Time. It's the messiest game show on cable television. I'm your host, Guy himself. On this show, we'll be giving people the opportunity to win thousands of dollars and a fabulous prize. But if the game doesn't go so well, look out, you could get slime. Let's say ho to our contest. First contestant. Our new contestant, Dale Cooper.
Hello, guy.
Come on, Claire. Come on. Dale, the name of the game today is honesty. When people are dishonest, they can get themselves into a sticky situation. Slimy situations. Today we're going to ask you some very personal questions. Tell us the truth and you'll win prize and money. But if you are dishonest, Carol Barrow will slime you.
Bring it on back.
Okay, Dale, here we go. Have you ever lied to a friend?
Yes.
That's right. Okay, good start. But the questions will get harder, too. Did you ever steal from a friend?
Yes.
Wow, 2 for 2. Okay, Dale, winning money. But let's see how long honesty lasts. Have you ever forgot to feed your dog and lied about it to your parents?
Yes.
Have you ever snuck a cookie when your mom said no?
Yes.
Have you ever cheated on homework?
Yes.
Have you ever cheated on a test?
Yes.
Have you ever broken a rule playing basketball?
Yes.
Have you shot a bird with a meatball?
Yes.
Dale, is it true that you're a member of the school chess team?
Chess team, is this going live out on the air?
20 million viewers, Dale.
Yes, it's true.
Wow, Dale, I'm impressed. You just won $500. Woo! $500. But not only did you tell the world all the bad things you've done, you just made your nerd.
I've made some mistakes, Guy. I've done some slimy things, but I'm not going to make them worse by lying.
I agree. Honesty is the best policy.
Really? Where were you last time when we were supposed to be getting sushi?
I was at the hospital with my sick grandma.
Then how come I saw you on Instagram playing video games with your buddies? Oh.